committed. I'm here with our chair for APRO and our APRO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved and is being signed right now, and we will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell that regardless of whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as a speaker in the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo, and we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Okay.
I will relate this, sir, to the troops on the ground, and then I will include this in my speech during the AFP anniversary.
So that is signed here in the BICAM. That will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in Zambales to you and to the troops. Mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th at Aguinaldo. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you.
Magandang regalo ito sa mga sundalo, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes, sir.
We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Sir, salamat. Thank you.
Hindi na kami tatanggap, hindi na ako tatanggap ng replacements. So kung magtanggal sila, hindi na nila i-replace. Iwan na lang nila kung ano yung maiwan, and kung wala mang maiwan dahil tatanggalin nila lahat, I already said that I will seek security arrangements outside of the armed forces of the Philippines already.